In this video, we're going to look at the concept of data fields and how they used for record templates. So data field is basically any field that can store some form of data in it in a variety of different formats. To see the data fields you have access to, you'll just navigate to settings and then data fields, and you'll see the two different sections of fields that we have. We have the general field and then the internal company fields. The general fields are going to be the ones that the staff of SourceHUB has previously created to capture many of the standard industry-specific values. They make up this library of fields that are pre-created to meet those demands of various materials and products that we often find in packaging. They can be removed, added, and reordered in any of the existing templates that they're currently being used, which we'll look at in another video. But only SourceHUB can create these general fields that are available to all of our customers. On the other side, the internal company fields are only available to the company that creates them and their connections, any service providers, manufacturers that you share them with. What you can do here is you can create any fields that are available for you on top of the general fields. So what would you do is you would just go to create company field. You'll put in a name of whatever it is that you want a field for. If you want a tip that it's going to help the user fill in the field, you can put that in. You're going to say what type of field it is, and you can select from all the formats that you have. We have quite a variety. There's some that are check boxes or any boxes that you have multiple selections. Then you can add those options and save them in the list. We've got the basic yes, no. That's the only options that the user will have. We've got different options for measures as well. You can also note if you would like a tolerance for that measure. A lot of options. So in this case, we will just say that this is going to be a text field. And I'm going to create it. And that's all it takes. Now you have a brand new field that you can add to any of your record templates where the users can then enter this custom code that maybe you have. And then you can proceed with creating as many of these internal company fields as you would like. The special field type that we have is going to be the formulas. If you select the field type of formula, you will then have the option to create that formula. So you can utilize any of the existing fields that are already available as general fields or fields that you've created, and then use any of the standard functions like plus, minus, sum to calculate this formula for you automatically. We've got some additional functions available for you here. So all you would do is you would say sum, and then you would put in what fields you would like in there. So I'm going to say I want sum of, let's look, exterior length and another number field. Let's say max outside diameter, as long as you're putting together in the same units. So this is both in inches, and then I can create a field, and as long as I have these two fields already in my template, I will get the sum. For further questions around data fields, please feel free to hit read documentation, which will take you to more detailed documentation on formulas. But this is just one of the great field types that we now offer. Thank you.